I want to show you some new functionality in Dynamics 365 Business Central, specifically in the mobile app. Microsoft has recently added the ability to read barcodes into Business Central using the mobile app. In this demo, I'm going to enter a sales order from the Outlook client. I'm going to do some warehouse operations with the mobile app on a tablet and use barcoding, some other processing, and then we're going to take a look at the end result in Business Central. So let's get started. The scenario is I received an email from one of my customers, and they want me to send them 2 phones. Here's the email here. And what I want to do is go to the integration with Business Central directly from this Outlook email. I'll click on this icon here, open up Contact Insights. I'm going to select the customer right here. And then what I want to do is create a new sales order within Outlook. Go up here, create a new sales order. Business Central will scan the email and determine not only who the customer might be, but also which items the customer is requesting. You can see that it correctly identified the items right here. I'm going to select that, hit OK. Creates a new sales order in Business Central directly. Let's take a look at it. I'll open it up in a new window. Here's the sales order right here. The Outlook integration automatically defined who the customer is and identified the items the customer wants to purchase and the quantity. I'm going to change the default location to orange. This is the location on which I have advanced warehousing set up for Business Central. This order is already in Business Central, so I'm done with it. I'm going to X out of this. This is the Business Central mobile app on an iPad. So let's get started. First thing I want to do is look at that order that was just placed. Look at all my orders here. It's going to be at the bottom. Here's the order right here. And what I want to do now is specify the serial numbers that are going to be used on this sales order. So what I'll do is go to the lines, select the item tracking lines. It brings up this screen here. Let's look up the serial number. You can see I have a barcode icon by the serial number. I'll click on that. It automatically picks up the serial number. This item is also tracked by lot number. There's 2 items on here, so I'm going to select the second. Select the barcode icon. I can also put a QR code and read that as well on the mobile device. I'm done with the item tracking lines. I'll go back to the order. What I can also do is some warehouse transactions here. I'm going to create a warehouse shipment for this and get this thing moving along. Let's do that. That's been created. And I'm done with the mobile app. So now let's go back to Business Central and take a look at this order. I'm back in Business Central. We can see the order here. Let's take a look at the line. We'll look at the item tracking information. We can see that was properly picked up by the mobile device, entered into the order. Also, we can look at the warehouse shipments. Here's a warehouse shipment right here. Looks fine to me, so I'm going to go ahead and post this. I'll post the shipment. The line has been shipped and posted. Let's go back to the order here. We can now see from the order that 2 of these items have been shipped. This one's ready to invoice, so I'm going to go ahead and post this. Post the invoice. And I'm done. In this demo, I showed you how you can enter a sales order in Outlook, have it automatically go to Business Central. I use new functionality in the Dynamics 365 Business Central mobile app to read serial numbers from barcodes, and then also create a shipping transaction. We went back into Business Central, posted the shipment, and then invoiced that shipment out to the customer. A complete cycle using Outlook, the mobile device, and Business Central.